Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to give you guys just another kind of like just to show you what I'm doing. I'm not like anybody special or anything. I literally just came back from the gym and just logged into my account to kind of like see how I'm doing because I'm trading prop firms. I got Apex in my funded futures, and I just wanted to see how this custom coded strategy is doing. And as you can see here, I logged into my dashboard here, and I see that I have basically today executed basically a series of four trades. It's sold here at 21,072, and it bought in at 21,047. Then again on the MQ, it bought at 21,247, and it sold at 21,286. So today we got basically two winners. It doesn't always happen like that, but it's always nice when you're doing on here on TradingView. I just wanted to see how the trades were looking and what the price action was like because I was away. I'm not at the screens all day. I got stuff I got to do. I got businesses I got to run. I got things that I'm doing. I'm busy. And I just don't have time to be staring at the charts all day. So I'll just log in here, and when I come back from doing my morning errands, and I just wanted to see what the price action was looking at. And with TradingView, there's a weird thing because the strategies only basically execute on the close of the candle. They're not coded. At least on TradingView, there's a limitation where if you got a trade that's set to trigger on the open, it's not going to show it here. So you could ignore these visuals for now, but I could see on here that as soon as it broke out of this level, it exited, and as soon as it broke out of this top level, it exited. So today was a good winner. You can see here the logs. So you guys can do this also, right? If you're trading with prop firms, if you got a successful strategy, then you can be doing this. Why do you want to trade with your money? Use somebody else's money. That's what prop firms are for. As you can see, I got a Apex 013 account here, and this is what I'm doing a copy trade right here. This is how I'm copy trading right here, and this is my copy trading setup here, 13, and I'm just copy trading it to all these other accounts here, and this is how I'm gonna multiply my efforts. So anyways, I just wanted to come in here and share you that quick update, and hope you guys are doing well. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments or email. Anyways, this is Tradovate.cash. This is the platform that I'm using, and hope you guys are able to use it too and be able to multiply your results also. Enjoy. Bye.